Isa, I keep seeing knitters especially doing videos about their works in progress, but I feel like there's not a lot of embroiderers doing that, hand stitches, whatever. So I thought I would make a video and show you what I've been working on, or not working on, as the case may be. So if you saw my Sashiko video a little while ago, I actually finished the one in that video. I just need to rinse it to get rid of the lines, and then I can cut off all these ends and loops. I think there's probably more ends and loops than there should be, but hey, I'm still learning how to do it the most sort of efficient way. So this is actually the back. You work from the back, and then this is the front. I love all these colors in this fabulous variegated thread. So I'm not 100% sure yet what this will be used for, but I think maybe I'll make a cushion cover for my mum. I'll be seeing her and my dad in a few weeks, so I'll be looking forward to that. I don't know if I've said before, but I'm Danish, but I live in the UK, so it's always a treat to go back and visit my parents and see my friends. Maybe if I have time on my visit, I could record a little bit of video. I don't know if you'd be interested in seeing a bit of Copenhagen, where I'll be doing like a 24-hour, and then I'll be in Aarhus, the town where I grew up. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a bit of Denmark. It might not be super touristy. Maybe that's nice. Right, so this is my first finished Sashiko project, and I loved it so much that I've prepared fabric for the next one. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this thread. I think the dark blue here will just sort of disappear against the background here, so I may order some white thread. Very traditional look. I'm really looking forward to stitching this one. So if you've been following the stitch tutorials I've been sharing over the last couple of months, maybe you're wondering how I'm getting on with my alphabet sampler, and this is how it's going. So I'm currently working on the H. It's kind of funny seeing it like this, just with a few stitches here and there that I've done when I've done the videos for the stitch tutorials. I'm slowly working to finish it. I really like working on it. If you'd like to make a stitch sampler like this, I've got a pattern for it. I'll link it in the description. I just love working on this. Maybe I'll make a third one. Maybe. I don't know if you can hear a sort of breathing noise in the background. It's Blake the dog. He's sleeping in his bed right next to me, and he's snoring. So this is a temperature embroidery I'm working on for this year. Unfortunately, because I've had troubles with my right hand, my stitching hand, I've had to stop working on it because it's not really essential stitching. So But I'm hoping I can get back to it soon. I actually made a similar one for 2022. And I liked it so much that that's why I'm doing one for this year as well. And my plan is to keep doing them for several years in a row. I'm not sure how many years, but it would be an interesting way of seeing how the temperature in my local area may or may not change. Last year we had that couple of days where the temperatures hit 37, 38 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure how much that is in Fahrenheit. But that was really hot. Way too hot for England. So far this year we have not had temperatures like that. Thank goodness. So hopefully I'll be back in the near future with some kind of progress on this. I mean, if I put it on the internet, then hopefully that will help me to get to work on it. The last thing that I'm sort of kind of working on is this design, which I actually haven't started stitching yet. I'm still pondering the colors for it. It will be a new pattern. When it will be released, I have no idea. As soon as I have it stitched, but who knows. So it's inspired by Kirpit's design and Swedish folk design, and it will actually have an alternate version with Dala horses in it. But I'm going to stitch the one with birds for my stitched sample, because I've got a couple of other Dala horse patterns, so I want to stitch something else, not just the Dala horses, but anyone who buys a pattern, of course, can stitch Dala horses to their heart's content. I'm looking forward to stitching this. I may not start it until I'm back from Denmark, so we'll see. So what are you working on? Are you a hand embroiderer or hand stitcher? Do you work from patterns or just make it up as you go along? I'd love to know what you're making. Happy stitching.